So now you can see how well that fits. It's going to fit well underneath. That's all got to be ground down and probably sandblasted. Probably sandblast some of these spots too. You can see in here how tight that is. We've only got 2 screws, one here, one down there holding it. Bit of a gap there, but this will pull out. This will all be tight. We're going to put a pile of rivets in here so that the panel bond glues everything solid. Same with across here. And here, I'm going to mark a line here. We're going to probably bend a flange in this so that they overlap. We're going to glue through all 3 layers, and you got to make sure there's glue. If you're going to do something like this, I want to do this to make it more solid, but also as long as there's glue in between and you've grinded it and covered what isn't painted with the glue so that it's sealed. So that's kind of important when you do this. And that'll pull in tight. That'll actually twist out as soon as we add a couple pop rivets in here. Probably be 1 and 2 because I want the corner real strong. And then 3 and 4, 5. Bend this around the corner. But you get the idea. So we have this patch panel here, and then we got that patch panel. So if you're working with something, especially a rare vehicle where you can't get panels, because you could technically just put a new skin on this if you got lots and lots of money. But if you don't, this is an option with a little bit of patience. This I've been out here for an hour working on this panel, maybe, if that. No, that's not true. We cut that in, whatever, what time is it now? Probably about an hour and a half. We did all that, fit that, put that, fit that. And again, this one's quick and dirty. It is what it is. Let's get a little bit of light going. We marked, you see that right in the corner. We're going to cut that out so that it kind of mimics the factory bend. And then we'll take this panel off and take all that rusty crap out of there. But you can see the line as well where we traced it. And that's where we're going to do our 90-degree bend. And again, when we do our 90-degree bend, to bend that in, we might have to take our hammer at the end and kind of shape it so there's a touch around. It's almost straight. I checked the other side. But once we get that bent at a 90, we can hammer it here until it's good. And then we'll bend this over, and then we'll shrink that edge the same way we did this. Just on a 90, you got to do a lot more. We'll show you that when it's done.